In today's video, I am going to teach you how to custom code a sign-up form for Constant Contact Squarespace. To get started, log into your Constant Contact dashboard. Once you are inside the account, go to the Sign Up Forms area under Channel. This is where you can create and manage the forms that collect subscriber information for your email list. From there, click Create Sign Up Form and choose the Inline option. An inline form is useful because it can be placed directly inside a page on your Squarespace site, instead of appearing as a pop-up or banner. After selecting it, customize the form fields and design settings so the form matches the style and information you want to collect. Take a moment here to make sure the form looks the way you want and includes the fields your visitors need to fill out. When your form is ready, click Save and then Activate. This step is important because the form needs to be active before you can use the code on your website. After activation, find your active inline form in the list. Click the three dots next to it and choose View Code. You will now see two different pieces of code. First, copy the Universal Code script block. This code handles the main functionality needed for the form to work properly across your site. Then copy the separate inline code tag block as well. Keep both pieces of code available because you will need them in different places during setup. Next, log into your Squarespace account and open your website editor. Once you are in the editor, navigate to your website settings, then go to Custom Code and click Code Injection. In the header section, paste the Universal Code script block you copied from Constant Contact. Placing it in the header makes sure the script loads correctly across your site. After that, click Save to apply the change. At this point, your universal code is in place and ready to support the inline form. Make sure you pasted the full script exactly as provided without removing any characters or changing the formatting. Even a small edit can prevent it from working correctly. That covers everything you need to know.